Hi guys, good evening all. So, as you know, today we'll discuss about the pattern programming, right? So, last class also we did some patterns, around four type kind of patterns we did, right? So today also I'm going to discuss the pattern program again. So let me draw the shape first. So I'm going to do the pyramid today. So 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. Okay, this is my structure. So let me feel stress. 1, this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So now if you realize what I am trying to do, if I feel this is my space, but if you see what I need to do, once I print the star, is it really required to have this space? I mean, what I need? This point first. So for that, I the four number of space, then only I need to press the star, right? So for that, how many number of space I have, that I don't need to worry about that, correct? So what I'll do, I'm not going to considering these space. I'm simply discarding these things. No need of this. I only need to consider these parts, these areas. This is the section which I need to take care, right? So what is this? We need to find out the relationship first. Okay, the relationship. How many number of rows? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what I'll do, this is my I, which will have the rows, right? And the J, right? J, J will be the number of columns. I mean, so let me write like this. This is the J because the, and this is the I, the row. And to print how many number of space we need to have, that I need to be SP space SP. Now three terms I have. What is that? I is I for row, J for column. Okay, 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 and one more is space SP. So now for row 1, how many number of star I need to have? 1 star. How many number of space we need to have? That is 4 space. Correct. For row number 2, for row number T 2, how many number of stars I need to have? 3. How many number of space I need to have? 3. Right? 3 space. Correct. Then after, for row 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. How many number of space we need to have? Space is 2. How many star we need to have? 5. 5. For row 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. For row 4, how many number of space I have? 1 space. How many number of star I need to have? 3, 6 and 1, 7. 7. For row 5, how many number of space I have? 0. How many number of stars I have? 3, 6, 9. 9. 9. Okay. So now, if you see how many number of stars I am trying to print, when the row is I, what is my number of stars? For first row, that is 1. For second row, that is 3. Okay. For third row, that is 5. Then if you see what is my j, j is something like 2 into I minus 1. What is the I value for initial? That is 2 into 1 minus 1. What is that? 2 minus 1, 1 for first value, right? For first row, number of 1, that is 1. Then if I consider 2 into 2, then 2 into 2, that is 3 again, that is 3 again. Then if I consider for third row, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, that is again 5. For 4, 4 into 2, 8 minus 1, 7. 5, 5 into 10 minus 1, 9. Perfect. So this is my relationship between I and J. For each I and J, that is my relationship. I found the ith relationship with respect, jth relationship with respect to I. Now what I need to have? I need to have the space relation with, I found this relation now. This relation I have, right? But I don't have these two relations. That I need to derive. If that I am able to do, then I can able to write the code now. So let's check. If you see here, what is the total number of rows? Rows count is 5, right? What is the space for first row? What is the space? Space nothing but row now, total number of rows minus row now, that is I, right? Rows minus I, that is 1. Rows minus I, that is 1. Rows minus 2, rows minus 3, rows minus 4, rows minus 5, 5, that is 0, right? What is the row value? 5, 5, that is 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 3, 2. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 5 minus 1, that is 4. So, what is the SP? The SP is nothing but SP. What is SP? SP is nothing but rows minus I, right? Rows minus I. Now I have the relationship between all the variables. I with J, then with also SP. Clear? I have the relationship. What next? Next is I need to write the code. That's it. Right? So let me write the code. What I have, what I need to write, right? So I need to have. Well, let me write the entire code. I believe yesterday I write those, but not sure if you guys are having any issues. Let me write the entire code. First include stdio.h, then void main. So what are the variables I have? I for row, J for column, then SP for space, then total number of rows, right? Rows. Now next, what I'll do? Printf enter number of rows. Then after scanf %id and percent of rows. What next? For I equals to 1, I is less than equals to rows, then plus I. Okay. Next, then what will have? Let's make it to j equals to 0. I'll tell you. I'm doing that. I'll tell you. Okay. Then I have the, because what is the relationship I have? 2 into, I mean for the column 2 into I minus 1. That means number of values I need list. For I equals to 1, what is the j? The max j value will be 2 into I, that is 2, right? I means 1. 2 into 1, that is 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So it will print that many number of times. Let me proceed next. I will tell you why I took k there. I mean j there. Next after what I will have? Next, I need to write for the space for specific 1 less than equals to rows minus I, then this is the value, then sp plus, right? Then printf space printf space end of the for. Let me okay. Next, what we'll do? I have printed the sp part. Then what I need to do? I need to print the stars. File j not equals to 2 into I minus 1. What I need to have? I need to print star there. Print star, with that I will have one space. Okay. Then j plus end of the file. Then after what I need to have? Then after printf class n, because I need to have the new line. Then end of the or the end of the main function. Now if you realize here, let me do a dry run. So this is for space printing space, okay, and this is for what? This is for star printing, star print. When so what I will have? I will have the I, then j, what next? sp space, right? Then I. So first value is I. So I is initialized with 1, and I have another variable, that is rows. That rows. Rows I have given the rows as 5. Right. So not 5. It will lengthy. Let me do it for 3. 3. So now I is 1, then 1 is less than equals to 3, constant true. Then what it will do, it will come inside and initialize the SP with 1, and 1 is to 1 is less than equals to what? Row minus 1. What is the row? 3 minus 1, that is 2, constant true. It will come and print one space. Okay, what next? Then space becomes 2 now. 2 is less than equals to constant true. Then it will print another space. Then this becomes 3 now. 3 is less than equals to 2, condition false. So it will go outside. Now, what is the j value by the time increment? The j value is initialized with 0. So j will be 2 into 0, that is 0. 0 minus 1, minus 1, j is not equals to 3. Okay. So now, first is 2 into I. What is the value of I? That is 1. 2 into 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 2. 2 minus 1 is 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So j value is initialized 0, but that is not equals to 1. So it will come inside. Okay, it will print a star. Then j becomes 1 now. 1 not equals to 1, condition false. It will come outside and increase the value of I to 2. Now 2 is less than equals to 3, constant true, come. Okay, and again this is when I is, j becomes 1 that time, right? When I is increased to 2, j is reinitialized with 0 now. So 2 is less than equals to 3, constant true. Then come to this space is reinitialized with what? 1. Reinitialized with 1. Then SP is less than row minus 1. What is the row value? What is the rows? 3. 3 minus I. What is that? 2. 3 minus I is 2. That is 1. Okay. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So now what is the value of SP? SP is 1 and it is comparing with 1. So this less than equals to 1, constant true, and take a single space. Then SP becomes 2 now. 2 is less than false, condition false. It will go outside of the loop. Then what it will do? J is 0. So now what is the value of J I now? I is 2 now. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, that is 3. J value is 0. 0 is not equal to 3, condition true. Count down and print now. Now what is the J value now? J increase and becomes 1 now. 1 now. Okay. So 1 is not equal to 3, constant true, the star. Print on the star. Then J becomes 3. J becomes 2 now. 2 is not equal to 3, condition true, right? Then print another star. Then J becomes 3 now. 3 is not equal to 3, condition false. It will go out. I comes and I becomes 3 now, and J is again reinitialized with what? Zeros. Okay, zeros. So 3 is less than equal to 3, condition true, come inside. Then SP, what is SP? SP is reinitialized with 1 now. So 1. Then 3 minus 3, 0. What is the value of 1? 1 is less than equals to 0, condition false. So it will come outside, not going to print any space. So what it will do? It will come here. What is J value of 0? J value, that is initialized 0. Now what is the value of I? So I is having 3. 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 1. Okay, 6 minus 1. Okay, 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 0 is not equal to 5, constant true, star. It will print another star. Then this becomes 1 now. Again it will print another star. This becomes 2 now. Again it will print another star. This becomes 3 now. It will print another star. This becomes 4 now. It will print another star. Then 5 is less than equals to 5. Condition for less than 5. Sorry, not equals to 5. Condition false. It will come outside and take a new line. So this is my me remove this one. I'm in space. So if you see here, this is my triangle cell for the three different things. So it looks good, I believe. So let's stop here. We'll come up with some different questions in the next session. So till that, take care. Bye bye. And let me know if you have any kind of issues, any kind of problem. We'll have to solve that. Bye bye. Have a good day.